Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have explicit employer authorization. Once done, collect the device serial or IMEI and your corporate username. Make sure the password and any 2FA method, SMS, authenticator app, or security key are available. Also plug the phone into power and join a stable Wi-Fi network. If an admin console or MDM link is required, open that on a laptop now so you can follow the next steps without interruption. This prevents losing access mid-process. Log into the MDM or admin portal with your delegated admin credentials. Once in, search for the device by serial, IMEI, or assigned username. Select the management action labeled Unlock, Reset PIN, or Remove Passcode. Explain why you choose that action in the console notes. Apply the change and watch for a success confirmation. Make sure the device is online so the command propagates. Once the MDM reports success, tell the user to reconnect to Wi-Fi and wait for the policy to sync. After the MDM change completes, have the user enter the new PIN or corporate credentials and re-enable any 2FA method immediately. Verify access to email and corporate apps. Once confirmed, run a manual MDM policy sync to enforce settings. If the device still refuses unlock due to policy, escalate to the security admin with logs, timestamps, and the steps you performed. This prevents repetition. Keep a short record of what you changed and the final verification time for compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.